And we also got 4 of the distilled water. We use this in our sleep pap. I guess you wonder why we got the Parents' Choice. The Parents' Choice is $126 versus the Walmart brand is like $160 something, I believe. So we always get the Parents' Choice. So this is our grocery haul. Really didn't need any grocery, mostly just fill in snacks and stuff like that. That's all we needed. So, and then I wanted to try this. I never had it before. I ran out of lotion, so I decided to give this a try. So I'll let y'all know what I think about the pink champagne. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul. Y'all stay warm, bundle up, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.